All right, guys, guess what I have today? Jewelry. So if you know me and you really know your girl, you know that my secret love affair has always been jewelry. Like, I am a jewelry fanatic. Even on this channel and on my Instagram at Chazzzisawesome, I have worked with the top brands in jewelry. If you don't know that, go ahead and click subscribe. Go ahead, click subscribe. Because not only do I do hair, but your girl is just luxurious all around, okay? Like, luxury on my ears, luxury in my kinks. Like, just go ahead, click that subscribe button. I mean, you already here, so you're interested somewhat. But anyways, today I'm going to be bringing you Italo jewelry. Now, they reached out to me and honestly, I couldn't say no. Their prices are phenomenal. Their pieces are exquisite. Like, they are better than... This might sound like a stretch, but let me show you the close-ups as I say this. They are better than some of your top jewelry brands that, you know, are in the mall, that have their own businesses. Like this, when they came in the mail, boxing, everything was so elegant, so gorgeous that when I opened it, I knew more than likely I had been bamboozled. But yet, I was so pleasantly surprised. I just threw on these earrings and I wore them all night long in my pajamas. Okay? Like, I really did. So let's get up close and personal on what I actually got. Here's the box. Alright? You know, it's Christmas time, okay? So when I saw this bow, I was really excited just because I'm a Christmas kind of girl. And they actually have a Christmas sale going on. So honestly, I would say if you got a significant other you're trying to impress, woo, but I'm be real, it's a sale going on, so you better cop yourself something. Love yourself first, and since it's a sale and you getting money off, then you can go ahead and worry about everybody else later, okay? Worry about them at the end of checkout, okay? Now, I wanted to read to you because I know purchasing things online can be really kind of weird, I know, but they do have a 1-year warranty and a 30-day return policy, okay? They are literally in the box. And you can read them online. I will leave the policies down below. And if you were wondering if this jewelry is real, because like I said, this is very high quality. Like, do you see this? This is not something that you get from Forever 21. This is not something that you get from H&M. All of those cheap little jewelry stores that people are going to, this is not where you can find dupes for this, okay? And y'all have seen my hoops and earrings before on this channel. I don't have anything like this, okay? This is a first, and if you're wondering how much gold or how much metal is in the jewelry, if you are about your jewelry, they actually have a whole certification. I will go ahead and place a picture, I will overlay the actual certification onto this little certification, so you can clearly read how much metal is in this jewelry, okay? Who you know out here passing out certificates of authenticity, okay? So if you were curious, this is good jewelry. This is great jewelry, okay? Especially at the prices that they come at. Like, your favorite jewelry brand honestly could never, okay? They really couldn't. Like, look at it. Do you see this? This earring is showing out right now. Do you see it? And I know I keep talking about the earrings. I know. But I actually have the ring to match it. Now, they have several other rings with this same stone, so I'm not going to say that this ring is the matching ring. But when I went online and I was picking my jewelry out, I decided to go with this one because the stones match exactly. And I just went on there because, you know, I'm filming this video and I want to make sure I have all the correct information for you guys. And I actually saw a whole bunch of other rings with this matching stone that I wish I would have seen, you know, before I got this one. I mean, I love this one. I wouldn't give up my baby for anything in the world. However, I need to get back on the site, take advantage of this Christmas sale, and get those other matching rings. Because they have the, you know, the one with the giant stone in the middle, which is the elegant, simple, small band. Sorry. You know, you just go online and see for yourself, okay? But I also, if you're into stacking jewelry, okay, into stacking necklaces. You guys probably see that I don't wear a lot of necklaces, and it's not because I'm not a necklace kind of girl. I actually am. I really am. But the companies that reach out to me, they never have a good selection of necklaces. And when I'm out shopping, I just can't get the stacking thing right. Like, there's so many necklaces that I want to try, and there's so many necklaces I want to stack together. But I don't know. I just feel like I just can't find the right necklaces. So when we got onto this website, me and Bear, I went ahead and decided to start with this little guy. Now, I will leave this little guy linked in the description box. Mind you, all of this jewelry is going to be linked in the description box. But I've been wearing this one in particular since I got the package. The earrings, I keep thinking I need a place to wear them because I keep wearing them around the house. But I know this is like probably TMI. Like, comment down below if you are a jewelry head just like I am. Like, seriously, because I am just stoked about these earrings. I have other like cheap little earrings or whatever like that I've gotten from like non-real earrings that dangle. So this is my first pair that actually has a stone, you know, diamonds, everything. And they look so good that I just want somebody to invite me somewhere. That way I can stunt, you know what I mean? Because this necklace I've been wearing every day and everyone loves it. And to be honest with you guys, this necklace on the website, they want you to see every stone, every flaw, every perfection, every imperfection, just so you know exactly what you're getting. So when I looked onto the website and I saw this necklace, it was like the photo was in such high definition. I was like, okay, I don't really know how these, you know, diamonds are going to sit. I don't know how much gold is going to be showing. I don't know. And then literally when it came in the mail, it looked like 30 times better than it did on the actual website. And not to say that it looks bad on the website, because it looks great on the website, but somehow it came looking even better. Like, they just kind of met my dreams. When I received the ring and I unboxed it, it was beautiful on the website, but I don't know if I just really get dazzled by looking at gorgeous jewelry in person. But literally took my breath away. These earrings, I already knew that these were going to be the shiznits. I didn't even have a thought in my mind. But oh my god, I have this one specifically at a size 8 because that is that's my ring finger size. I don't know why I'm always wearing rings on my ring finger. At one point in time I was getting engaged, but I just love rings there because they're just out of the way with, and when you have your nails done, it's a good finger to have it on. The middle finger looks kind of clunky, but my pointer still looks flawless. My mom loves thumb rings. This makes a great thumb ring. There's so many options for this jewelry, and I really want you guys to take advantage of that sale, okay? That's the most important here. Now, their prices are already amazing for such high quality and for such creative quality as well, because this is the kind of jewelry that's like on Instagram that's really popping, and you know, the really thick bands with the popping diamonds, but they've done it in a more luxury classic way, which is what I really love and really respect. So you're not skimping or anything when you go with them versus any other brand, okay? Like, just so we're clear. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have all kinds of photos on Instagram of me rocking this jewelry because I'm in love. But I will see you guys in my next one. All the information on this jewelry, on this company, will be linked in the description box below, okay? These specific pieces that your girl has will be linked in the description box below, okay? And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.